In this lecture, we will discuss the following properties of a group. We will study closure law, associative law, existence of identity, existence of inverse, commutative law. Number 1. Closure law. Let S be a non-empty set. If for A comma B belongs to S implies A circle B belongs to S, then circle is said to be binary operation in S. This is called closure law. Whenever circle is binary operation in S, then circle is said to be closed in the set S. Okay. We know that usual addition plus is binary operation in N. That is, for A comma B belongs to N implies A plus B belongs to N. Here, plus is binary operation in N, so that N is closed under addition. But in case of minus, if we take any two numbers in N, for example, 3 comma 5 belongs to N, then 3 minus 5, that is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 does not belongs to N, so that minus is not binary operation in N, so that minus is not closed in N. Here, so that we have for A comma B belongs to N does not imply A minus B belongs to N, so that N is not closed under minus. Associative law. Let S be a non-empty set and circle be a binary operation in S. If for A comma B comma C belongs to S implies A circle B of circle C is equal to A circle B circle C, then circle is said to be associative in S. This is called an associative law or associative axiom. Here, whenever circle satisfies this relation, then circle is said to be associative in S. In a set of real numbers, or plus is binary operation. So we can easily observe that A plus B plus C is equal to A plus of B plus C for all A comma B comma C belongs to R. So plus is associative in R. Also in R, multiplication is associative since A dot B dot C is equal to A dot B dot C. But in case of minus, equality does not hold between these two relations. Okay. For example, if we take any three elements in R, say 1 comma 2 comma 3 belongs to R, then 1 minus 2 minus 3. If we calculate this one, we get minus 4. 1 minus of 2 minus 3. If we calculate this one, we get 2. But these two numbers minus 4 and 2 are not equal, so that we have inequality between these two relations. So subtraction is not associative in R. Identity element. Let circle be a binary operation on a non-empty set S if there exists an element E belongs to S such that A circle A is equal to A, that is equal to E circle A for all A belongs to S. Then E is called identity of S. with respect to the operation circle. Whenever circle satisfies this relation for all A belongs to S, then E is called identity element in S under the binary operation circle. In a set of integers Z, we observe that A plus 0 is equal to A, that is equal to 0 plus A for all A belongs to Z. Here we see that this is same as this one. Okay. In place of circle, here we have plus. In place of E, we have here 0. So that 0 is the identity in set of integers under the binary operation plus. Okay. Similarly, we have A dot 1 is equal to A, that is equal to 1 dot A for all A belongs to Z. Here also this is same as this one. Here in place of circle we have multiplication. In place of E we have 1. So that 1 is called identity in Z under multiplication. Under addition, 0 is the identity in set of rational numbers, in set of real numbers, in set of complex numbers. Also, under multiplication, 1 is the identity element in set of rational numbers, in set of real numbers, in set of complex. Invertible element. Let S be a non-empty set and E be the identity element in S under the binary operation circle. Then an element A in S is said to be invertible with respect to circle if there exists an element B in S such that A circle B is equal to E, that is equal to B circle A, and B is called inverse of A, that is B is equal to A inverse. Here whenever we have this relation, that is A circle B is equal to E, that is equal to B circle A, then B is said to be inverse of A under the binary operation circle. In set of real numbers, we know that 0 is the identity. Also, for A belongs to R, we have A plus minus A is equal to A minus A, that is equal to 0, and minus A plus A, that is equal to minus A plus A, that is equal to 0. So we have A plus of minus A is equal to 0, that is equal to minus A plus A. Here this relation is same as this one. Okay. In place of circle we have here plus, in place of B we have minus A, so that here B is inverse of A under the binary operation circle. In the same way, here minus A is inverse of A under the binary operation plus. Okay, that implies minus A is inverse of A in the set of real numbers under addition. Now we know that 1 is the identity in the set of real numbers under multiplication. So for a is not equal to 0 in R, we have a into 1 by a is equal to 1 and 1 by a into a is equal to 1. So we have a into 1 by a is equal to 1, that is equal to 1 by a into a. It is in the form of a circle b is equal to e, that is equal to b circle a. Here b is inverse of a under the binary operation circle. In the same way, 1 by a is inverse of a under the binary operation multiplication. Okay. Here we take a is not equal to 0. Why? Here we should take only non-zero elements in R, because if we take a is equal to 0, then 1 by a is equal to 1 by 0. That is 1 by 0 is not defined, so that we should take non-zero numbers in R. Okay, that is, so for every non-zero element a in R, there is an inverse element 1 by a in R. By a in R. But in case of natural numbers, minus a is not the inverse of a in n, since minus a does not belong to n under multiplication, under addition. Since n is set of positive integers, there are no negative numbers in n, so that minus a does not belong to n. So minus a is not the inverse of a in n. Okay. Similarly, 1 by a is not inverse of a in n, since 1 by a does not belong to n under multiplication. 1 by a is a fraction, so that 1 by a does not belong to n. So 1 by a is not inverse of a in n. So inverse of a in n does not exist under both addition and multiplication. Commutative law. Let S be a non-empty set and circle be a binary operation in S. If for a comma b belongs to S implies a circle b is equal to b circle a, then circle is said to be commutative in S. This is called commutative law. Whenever the binary operation circle follows this relation, that is a circle b is equal to b circle a, for all a comma b belongs to S, then circle is said to be commutative in S. It is easily observed that in set of natural numbers n, we have a plus b is equal to b plus a and a dot b is equal to b dot a for all a comma b belongs to n. So plus and dot are commutative in the set of natural numbers. Okay. Also, addition and multiplication are commutative in set of rational numbers, real numbers, and complex numbers. Now consider the set of matrices M is equal to set of 2 by 2 matrices such that these elements belongs to set of real numbers. Now take two matrices M1 and M2. Now M1 plus M2 is equal to, we get this one, A plus C, B plus F, C plus G, D plus S. Now and M2 plus M1 is equal to, we get this one. But E plus A is equal to A plus E, since These elements belong to set of real numbers. In set of real numbers, addition is commutative, so that E plus A is equal to A plus E. In the same way, F plus B is equal to B plus F. G plus C is equal to C plus G. H plus D is equal to D plus S. So that this matrix is equal to this matrix. So that we have that is equal to M1 plus M2. So we have M1 plus M2 is equal to M2 plus M1. Therefore, in set of matrices, addition is commutative. Okay. But now take any two matrices. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Calculate A into B. We get this one. And B into A. We get this one. But these two matrices are not equal. That is, A dot B is not equal to B dot A. Okay. A dot B is not equal to B dot A. So, in set of matrices is not commutative under matrix multiplication. Okay. Set of matrices is commutative under matrix addition, and set of matrices is not commutative under matrix multiplication. This is the quiz relating to this lecture. Thank you.